So this assignment here that says practice assignment is a great assignment. What happens though on the student end is when they open it, they can't directly type in it because it's a Word document. They could choose open with Google Docs and then they're going to be able to type in it. But what would make this easier is if on the teacher end, before you put it in Classroom, you choose to open this document that you've got in Word as a Google Doc. And then when you put it into Classroom, make a copy for each student. Because what then they'll be able to do is type directly into it. So if I were to go back to our co-teaching classroom and do create assignment, and I love that you numbered them, and then I'm gonna add this. So because I took it from Word to Google Docs, it's in my Drive, so Google Drive. I feel like I'm yelling, I can talk quieter. And it's gonna be recent because I just grabbed it. Sorry, it's a little slow. Come on, come on. Here it is. And then right here, remember, we don't want it to be viewable. We want the kids to just be able to edit it and put their name on it. So if I choose make a copy, now it's ready. And I'm gonna go ahead and just make a new copy, or new topic, excuse me, and then assign. So that would make that Word document immediately editable for them and do all of the really cool things. So turn it to a doc, and then when you make an assignment, make a copy for each student. I think that will be helpful.